Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix 2026 security update KB5083769 or KB5082417 not installing Windows level on PC. In this video, seeing before you begin, like and comment this video and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. We can fix by using these 4 steps. In these steps, one by one follow to this problem fix it. Let's go hit that first step, restart. So go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart to restart your system. Then recheck your Windows update, whether it is working or not. Still not working, then go to the next step, command prompt. So go to your Windows search bar and type cmd, then right click on the command prompt and choose the run as administrator. Then inside command prompt and type sfc, give the space /scan now. Just hit the enter. This process will take some time. I will skip it. You will finish it, then only you will come to back. Then I close it. Then check whether it is working or not. Still not working, then go to the next step. Troubleshoot Windows update. So we need settings. So search the settings and open. Then go to you go to search bar. Then type Windows update. Then you can click to open. Then here click on the next to wait. You will get detecting problems. It will show. So wait 5 minutes or few seconds after what it will have got the problems. If you get this error, you will if you get this corrupted files or some errors, you will get this appear the Windows error not working. So wait, you can see to solve. You will solve it. So just you can next to close it. Then go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart to restart your system. After that, again check whether it is working or not. Still not working, then go to the next step. Windows update. Corrupted files delete. You will corrupted files delete in Windows update. So go to the file explorer. Just you will go to the local disk C. Then click on the Windows folder and open. Then scroll down and find and select the software distribution folder. Then selected all folder. Then right click to delete all folder. It is safe. Choose the delete to all delete. Once it done, then close it. Then restart your system. Then check Windows update. It will have solved this problem. And if you have any doubt, go to the comment section and leave the comment. I will definitely reply to you. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.